In this lesson, we're going to write all the sharp keys on manuscript paper in both treble and bass clefs. Have your keyboard diagram, grand staff, and all major key signatures handy. This video is designed to be paused and replayed. Work at the pace that is right for you. Make a grand staff. Label the scale and key, G major. Add the key signature. G major has one sharp. In the treble clef, F sharp, and in the bass clef, F sharp. Add the musical alphabet starting on G. Write the major scale in the treble clef, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Same thing in the bass clef, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. That's G major. Make the grand staff. Label the scale and key, D major. Add the key signature. The key of D major has two sharps. In the treble clef, F sharp, C sharp, and in the bass clef, F sharp, C sharp. Now add the musical alphabet starting on the letter D. Write the scale in treble clef, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. And in the bass clef, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. That's D major. Make a grand staff. Label the scale and key, A major. Add the key signature. A major has three sharps. In the treble clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Bass clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Add the musical alphabet starting on A. Write the major scale in treble clef, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Same in the bass clef. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. That's A major. Make a grand staff. Label the scale and key, E major. Add the key signature. E major has four sharps. In the treble clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. In the bass clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. Add the musical alphabet starting on the letter E. Write the major scale in treble clef, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Same thing in the bass clef. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. That's E major. Make a grand staff. Label the scale and key, B major. Add the key signature. B major has five sharps. In the treble clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp. In the bass clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp. Add the musical alphabet starting on the letter B. Write the major scale in treble clef, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. And do the same in the bass clef. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. That's B major. Make a grand staff. Label the scale and key. F sharp major. Add the key signature. F sharp major has 6 sharps. In the treble clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp. In the bass clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp. Add the musical alphabet starting on F. Write the major scale in treble clef. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp. Now in the bass clef. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp. That's F sharp major. Make a grand staff. Label the scale and key. C sharp major. Add the key signature. C sharp major has 7 sharps. In the treble clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. In the bass clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. Add the musical alphabet starting on C. Write the major scale in treble clef. C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. In the bass clef, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. That's C sharp major. Check your work to ensure all your major scales are written correctly. Verify you have the correct order of whole steps and half steps. Do they pass the 3 tests for correct note names? Is the key signature correct in both clefs?